Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 403, technical analysis for crypto. Now, if you're catching this stream live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links in the description, guys. Thank you for being here again on an awesome, what is it today? Thursday night. Great, man. Now, I'm just finishing up here, setting up the news that we're live, and we'll be set. All right, so let's get this updated here, and that's it. Oh, snap. There we go. We're live and we're set. Thank you all for being here again and for sticking around as I had to do these weird intros. On that note, let's move on to the technicals and figure out what is happening with crypto. Great, there we are, man. Hey, Steve, how's it going, man? The chat is not updating, so I wasn't able to see your little. Oh, there we go. Now they came in. Awesome. Let's look at crypto, man. What is happening with crypto today? How can I get killed? Why, dude? What's going on with crypto? Still coming higher. Still coming lower here. Lower here as well. Alright, so we'll just track onto there. Track that onto there. And then track this from here to here. And said, look, strong bearish divergence. Potential for a movement down on market cap. So you might see some data missing here, particularly against the MACD. For some reason it closed, and when I opened it again, all data was gone. So I'm not sure why it closed, but anyways, you have no idea what to do. What do you mean you have no idea what to do? What idea what to do about what? Anyways, potential movement down. Yesterday, money flew into crypto here, 2.32%. That's fine today. Money still flowing in, 0.74%. Approximately $3.57 billion. Now, where are we at? We're overbought at 74.79, and we had to cool off. We haven't cooled off yet, right? That's something that worries me. Bitcoin dominance, 65.96% of market cap. Yesterday, gain dominance, 1.41%. Today's gaining 0.08%. A lot of projects went down yesterday, right? That's why Bitcoin gained dominance, even though also gaining price. So a lot of money flew into crypto, into Bitcoin particularly, and not so much into the other projects. What is happening with Bitcoin? So here, right? We're looking at this parabolic curve that I drawn here. I'll just adjust to the new high. There we go. And as you can tell, we've just been hitting it and rising still, right? We went parabolic. Anyways, you say if you were smart, you would short here, but not your luck. You just melt in your face and hit 21,000 tomorrow. Look, bro. If you want to, like, you know, maybe you just don't do a big short, right? Just short a little bit. You know, that could be a strategy. It's up to you, though, right? But it needs to cool off. Yeah. What's happening, dude? On the daily. Yesterday we broke out of the rising channel. Remember we had this rising channel that we've been following, right, ever since over here, and we're just breaking out of it, right, which is good. Now what I was expecting to do is come down here, hit, and then take a bounce, right? On the daily we haven't hit. On the 1 hour we did hit and take a bounce, but that's okay right now. Now on the daily we're here. What's going on? We're still going higher. We're still just going here and still going here, and we still have strong bearish divergence on Bitcoin daily. We're bought at 77.91, so not a lot going on. Again, still waiting for it to rally or ride or see what it's going to do. Not super weirded out by this. It was pointed out by Steve actually that we're doing a rising wedge, and we are, and we'll point it out in a second. I think I charted it on this one. Look at this Bitcoin, right? Even if we go to this one now, we're still on a sort of rising wedge. It would be much better if we were anchoring from here, you know, getting this touch point to here, and then it would be better confirmation. But yeah, we could look at this as a rising wedge, and that is a bearish pattern usually, and it tends to break down. Now Bitcoin the 4 hour, what are we doing? We're going from here to here. We had bearish divergence, we moved down, we took a bounce, created bearish divergence to here, right? Now what's happening? We're still coming in higher. Look at this, coming into here, and we're just shifting that to there, and we still have strong bearish divergence. Now whatever we had called it to before, like here, it already played off. Look, we moved down. On that move down, we hit a 20, we found support, and then we took a bounce, right? So again, let's just track on to where we went. And we're still creating that strong bearish divergence, waiting for it to really just trigger. And sitting bought at 69.93 on the RSI. Hey Andrew, how's it going, man? Thanks for being here. That's it for Bitcoin, right? Again, we have that strong bearish divergence. We just kept on building it. Remember I said we can go on rallying, and we're still going to have bearish divergence. We need to really pump a lot for this to come to this level and no longer have it, right? So we're going to have it for a while. On that note, let's go to the 1 hour chart. What is going on with Bitcoin 1 hour? Right, look at this, right? Coming up higher. So I give this to the 1 hour chart. High, low, high, lower high. So positive is positive, right? Everything we're doing here is strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. Sure, Andrew, we can look at the... Let me get some pages here for notes. There we go. Yeah, we can look at the Yiffy and Yuan. So, Bitcoin, right? Look at what we did. I was talking about this. I said, look, we're breaking out, right? I said on the chat. So what we're expecting to do is come back down, test the support, then take that bounce. We did come back down, test that support right on the next candle, right? And just so you guys know, it's not BS. Right, here it is. This was at 4:37 p.m. right? So I was like, nah, I still have 300 minutes to go. I wouldn't panic yet. Takes a week move. We close outside of the upsloping channel, test for support, then take off. Right. So I'm waiting for a takeoff, basically. Right. This was the 4 p.m. candle. Right. This was the 5 p.m. candle. So again, we moved out, came back, test the support, bouncing. Not a strong bounce. I was really hoping that we're gonna go higher. We could be taking a breather. That's fine. Again, second red candle is building. We do have strong bearish divergence. That could come into play and move us down. Bought at 67.15 on the RSI. That's it for Bitcoin. Switch got Ethereum. Oh wait, I didn't talk about the movement up. Where can we go? I was assuming out a farther back on the 4 hour chart. Try to see where Bitcoin can go, right? And one of the points that I've seen is that way back in January 2018, there are some areas that we could call this blue line here at 15,871, and then another area where we could probably target at 16,851, right? Which is very close to our other target, 17,900 and change. But you know, those are the targets that I'm looking at for Bitcoin right now. So it's 7,225 up here. So those are the targets that I'm looking at right now. 16,991 or 951 would be the next target here. Again, as in a potential moving down. Sorry, moving up. On a moving down, we've already looked at this and said, look, first of all, we're going to find support here at the channel, then support here probably, then support here, and then support here at the 75%, and then support here at 14,900. So we're going to be supported, and I'm moving down. That being said, let's go and check out Ethereum. Ethereum very close to finding support here and taking a bounce. That's good. This wasn't a rising wedge, although it kind of looks like a rising wedge. I was looking at this as a triangle first. This line here, I'll switch this to blue. That was not going to get confusing, but right. So we had bearish divergence. Actually, the downside, we moved down. Now we did manage to recover, which is fine. And today it looks like we're undecided still. But I told you guys we're seeing indecision in crypto. And that's basically what this is, right? We're failing to take off. We just move up when Bitcoin kind of takes a rest. That's how things are going. Anyways, bought at 66.57 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, strong bearish divergence. Action to the downside, we moved down. Hit that 20, found support, hit the 20 again. Trying to find support, pumping up a little bit, but really failing to take off. Now, do we have something else? No, that's it, man. High to low, high to low, high to low. Nothing there. Neutral. 57.52 on the RSI. The 1 hour chart, we had bearish divergence. Action to the downside, we moved down. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the RSI to lower point. Nothing bullish to this point. Now, if we go here, we are creating this strong bullish divergence against the MACD, but nothing against the RSI. We're still coming lower. With that, we're looking at the price action to the upside. We're taking that bounce. That's great. High to low, right? High to low. What is this at? 69, 61. Still less and lower here also. So everything's good here. Nothing I'm worried about yet. Might move down, hit that 20, try to take a bounce. Maybe that's a move for Ethereum right now. Could go on with this strong bullish divergence and try to rally. On a bounce at the 20, that would be good. Or I could just try to go off here again. That's what I'm looking at for Ethereum. If Bitcoin crashes, Ethereum very likely is going to crash. But this is what I'm looking at right now. Potential test and bounce. Neutral at 53.84 on the RSI. Let's go to the XRP, man. What's going on with XRP? High to low. Low to high. Let's go on the daily first. On the daily, we're looking for that bearish divergence for action to the downside. We don't have it against our side, just against the MACD. We pull back down slightly, but we still had it here. So against strong bearish divergence in play, that's about it though, right? Not a lot going on since then. Neutral at 57.26 on the RSI, sitting at 56 cents, 56.67 cents right now. On the 4 hour, what's going on with XRP on the 4 hour? Created strong bullish, took a rally, failed to go higher, the bruise high. Coming lower, that's about it though. Not a lot going on. High, low, positive, high on the RSI to lower point. Neutral at 54.26 on the RSI. Nothing on the RSI. What we had was this strong bullish against the MACD, and that's about it, right? Really failing to go much higher right now. Again, indecision, right? Look, most of the this has been the range, right? Basically, from about 24.69 to 26.692. On the 1 hour, we had the bullish divergence. We tried to rally, failed, and went lower. Now we tried to rally again, and now we are creating some hidden bearish from high to lower high. And from here to here, and here we're going lower, so that's fine. Do we have something that's bullish? Let's see, low, lower, negative, more negative, low and RSI to lower point. Nothing bullish. Just have that hidden bearish. Probably why we're stalling here. Really wish XRP was taking off for doing something better, but again, it's just not doing a lot, right? Sideways motion, neutral at 56.15 on the RSI. Let's go check out Litecoin. Litecoin at $61.62. Bearish divergence moved down, found support of the 20. Yesterday we hit the 20 again, taking a bounce. That's great. We don't have anything. High to low, positive was positive, high on the RSI to a lower point. Bought at 61.74 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. The 4 hour, lower, higher, right, bearish divergence, action to the upside. In that rally, high to low, then high to low, high to low, and high to low, low to high. Yes, we have something here. Coming in slightly lower right now. Again, this is going to get negated extremely easy if this pumps a little bit more. But again, it's one of those things that we have and we just got to talk about, right? Look, we're coming in slightly higher. Hidden bearish, potential stalling or moving down here on the 4 hour chart for Litecoin. Let's go check out the 1 hour chart. High, higher high. positive, more positive. High on the RSI to hard point. Everything's good, man. Right? Last thing we had is this hidden bullish. Again, we dropped slightly lower here, and we create some strong bullish divergence. There from here. Strong bullish action to the upside, and with that, we are getting that nice rally. Now here we also have this right low to high. So nice rally. Again, getting out of the 20, taking off. Great for Litecoin. Bought at 69.78 on the RSI. Let's go check out Binance. What's happening with Binance? Sitting at $27.88. Not a lot, again, a lot of sideways motion, right? Boring. So are we doing something? No. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to hard point, neutral at 45.71. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, look. Low, higher low, negative, less negative, low on the RSI. Lower, right? We have some hidden bullish. Yay, hooray for hidden bullish. On the 4-hour chart. Right here. Hidden bullish, potential action to the upside, getting that rally, heading for the 20, rejecting it right now. Not the best thing. High, lower, positive is positive. Again, not a lot here on the top part. So nothing bearish, just as hidden bullish. Trying to rally. Let's go to the 1 hour. We might have something better to look at there. On the 1 hour, Binance. Had the bullish divergence, tried to rally, hit the 20, and broke down. Now, we did call this one out live yesterday. We were somewhere around here. And we tried to break above, moving lower. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on there, set to lower point. Nothing there. Hidden bearish starting to develop, right? Look at this, from here to here, coming lower. And then from here to here. And here to here as well, right? So strong bearish divergence, sorry, hidden bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. We might try to stall here. We could pump a little bit more until we get rid of it, but right now we have it again. We just gotta acknowledge it for what it is. It's just a warning that we could start stalling or move down from here. On that note, let's go. DVT, it's sitting at 2.7 sats, so not a lot happening. Again, we haven't developed much on the daily or the 1 hour. Everything's still the same, so I'm not gonna go much into detail right now. I'll come back to it in a second though. Let's well, let's do Yifi, Yuma, and then ADA, and then we'll do DVT, and then we'll run with the markets. Yifi, dude, it's been a long day, dude. I'm tired. I woke up super early and it's just been a massive pounding at the office, man. I can't even find the letter Y. Here we go. Y. Here it is. Yifi. So in the daily, again, like I told you guys, the data that I had got screwed. So there we go. All right, bullish divergence. Actually, the upside, taking that rally, hitting the 618, right, and then pulling back down, breaking below 17,767. We talked about that move the other day, right? You could pull back down. That's fine. Sitting neutral at 58.18. That's okay. Not a lot happening on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. I should do crypto full time. Why? Why should I do crypto full time? Bearish divergence moving down. We're looking for some kind of bullish here, hidden. It didn't play, right? This is the risk with hidden bullish. We still came lower here. Oh, damn, we still have it. Oh, huh. No more hard days. Yeah, fortunately, streaming doesn't pay the bills yet, and yeah, crypto sometimes doesn't move enough to where I can make a good, consistent profit to where I can, like, you know, afford the what I need to, like, survive. So I have enough in crypto, but it's not enough yet. So. And yeah, maybe if streaming picked up and, like, you know, it like paid the bills, you know, I could do this full time. That's not the case right now. So what do we have here, right? We had bullish divergence hidden, action to the upside, taking that bounce. Hey, for 20. Just borrow a couple mil, easy peasy. Sure, man. What are you gonna do with that money? Oh, I'm gonna put it in a very high risk investment, sir. Crypto. They'll say, hell's no, man. Anyways, if you guys like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. Again, hit bullish. That's what's propping us up. That's great, man. Again, hitting the 20. Might go for 70,767. Where were we at yesterday? Here, maybe. All right, breaking down. Anyways, let's go check out 1 hour chart. This is from the daily. Or the 4 hour, probably. Something there. Again, look, we are coming much lower, right? And right here. So we have that strong bullish divergence developing against the MACD, but not against the RSI, and that's fine right now. Right? It's getting us the action to the upside. It's great. Something that worries me, yes, look, high to low. Low to high, right? Bearish divergence. Hidden. Potential movement down. Now they have something here. Yeah, we had strong bearish. We'll move down on that. Then now we have hidden bearish. So we could start stalling. Again, hidden bearish, one of those things where you can go on pumping. This can go on rising, and we'll still have it. We just got to watch out for it, you know, and try to see if it's going to trigger or not. If we start to see stalling or decreased action to the upside and a little bit of a round off, it could be a sign that it could trigger us to the downside, right? So, you know, it's something we've got to watch out for. Seeing neutral, 59.85 on the RSI. Bitcoin sounds like the investment year mark. Comfortable, even though time it might have most volatile. Yeah, dude, Steve, I agree. Bitcoin can become extremely volatile, but no, if you can play it right, you can make a lot of dough in that. So that's it for Yeefy, dude, right? Again, potential moving down. We do have the strong bullish. Strong bullish usually trumps hidden bearish, but we'll see how this is going to play out, you know, with Yeefy. Let's go check out Yuma. $7.95. Where is it at? Managed to get above that $7.46 mark. Again, bearish divergence, moved down yesterday, found support right at the 20. That's great. Came back up. Right now it looks like we want to move up. That's awesome. Not a lot going on here. Neutral at 51.98 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour. Let's see. We didn't have any. We're going higher, right? That was fine. This is missing something here. Yeah, it goes from here to here, slightly more. So we had that bearish divergence, right? That bullish divergence hidden. That's what propped us, and that's fine. Now we're moving down. Nothing here, nothing here. Low, high. Yeah, we also have again, right? Look at this, going higher. Look, ma, no hands. I forgot to anchor the other stuff. I think this one. That should be it. Anyways, we're also coming in here to more negative momentum. On the RSI, we are not lower, so that's fine. Have that hidden bullish action to the upside again, getting that rally, trying to get above the 20, which is okay. Let's hope we can close there. Test the support, try to take a bounce. Neutral right now at 54.82 on the RSI. Let's go to 1 hour chart. We're hunting for some bullish divergence here. Obviously, we didn't get it, and that's fine. He's got completely screwed because he's pulled lower. Again, this I had here was this here. Again, remember, my MACD got lost. For some reason, it closed, and when I opened it again, it wasn't here. And when I opened the MACD again, all the data was gone. So, you know, all these lines here, sometimes they're not matched with anything down here. Lower, more negative, lower on there, so that's fine. Then here we're coming in slightly lower, that's good. We'll work with this. Again. Strong bullish divergence, actually the upside, near support, that's fine. Came touch support and taking that bounce. That's awesome, dude. Nothing wrong with that. High to low on the RSI, high to low on the MACD, we're fine. With that, we're looking for that potential action to the upside on Yuma, right? We don't have anything bearish right now. We can still go on running. Cardano. Here it is. Cardano. Again, sideways motion, right? A lot of indecision. Look at that. Another spinning top. Dude, we still have nothing on the daily. Neutral at 54.79 on the RSI. Let's go here at the 4 hour. Had the bearish divergence. Strong. Moving down on that. Trying to rally right now. Right. So, a little high. And high to low. Right. So bearish divergence. Sorry, bullish divergence. Hidden potential rally. That's what's propping us up a little bit. We're getting to a 20. We're struggling to get above it right now. We are pulling back down. Let's see if we manage to get above that 20. That's going to be interesting. Let's see for ADA though on here. Neutral. 52.06. It doesn't have anything bearish. I mean, it has this strong bearish, which could still come into play. But it gets down, we're going to know that if we fail to get above the 20, or if we fail to get above this area, we could be looking for that movement down. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Bearish divergence, right? Action to downside, we moved down. Then we created this bullish divergence, right? Hidden bullish. Against the MACD and the RSI, I think also. Yeah, against the RSI as well. Look at that. So this to stick on the 1 hour with us, and that's gonna be awesome. We also had this divergence here. Look at that, from here to here. Right. So again, price action to the upside. This is the last thing we had, I think. So again, you got the lid here. So we took a nice bounce, hit that rejected, move lower. Now what's happening here? We're still creating that strong bullish divergence, right? Coming in lower, and look at this. Now it's strong. It was hidden. Now it's strong bullish. We don't have it against the RSI. That's fine. We just have it against the MACD. Action to the upside, taking that nice bounce, starting to make positive momentum, high to low. Again, hidden bearish starting to develop here. Look at this, boom, boom, and bam, kablam. Right there we go, man. We don't have it against the RSI, still lower. So again, potential stalling, maybe moving down. That's what I'm expecting here with the Cardano on the 1 hour, right? Maybe I retest of the 20 on the fact that we have hidden bearish divergence. Let's do RSR. RSR bearish divergence, pulling down today, trying to recover again. We still haven't made our last retrace up here to the 618. That's going to be awesome if we get up there. Again, bearish divergence. That's the last thing we had. Bought at 64.60 on there, 60.64 on there. So let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish divergence, right? We had it here as well. Let me just anchor this one here. Again, data got lost, right? So how to rework some of this stuff. So what's happening here? I'm going to stretch that to there because we still had it here. I'll stretch it out to here, and here I'll stretch it out to here. Strong bearish divergence actually to the downside moving down. Now do we have something? Yes, of course. Some hidden bullish. I'll take a cup of that hidden bullish, good sir. Look at that, going higher there. Low, higher, low, negative, more negative. On the RSI we don't have it. We're just sitting neutral at 58.30. So we could be trying to get above that 20 and then move higher with RSR. What do we have here? Strong bearish divergence, action to downside, moving down on that. That's great, man. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on there to lower point, nothing bullish. Now we're taking a small bounce, probably because we had something on the 4 hour. Do we have something here? Low, higher, yes, we do. From here to here, and then from here to here. And that we are creating hidden bearish divergence or potential action to the downside, or stalling to happen here at this point. I'm not liking that because this could bring the price of RSR down again below. I think it's the what fib note do we have here? Because I have shorter fib notes here, so it's actually not a fib note. Oh, it is a fib note from a different downscale, which is at 382. So we're looking for a bounce at that 382 right now on the daily, right? Because we just opened there, trying to move up, so that's great with RSR. Let's check out DVT. The MACD and the RSI here. Right on. So what's going on here? Let's see. Let's zoom in here. Sideways. Here we're going lower, right? Here we're going sideways, here we came lower, and here we came lower. So we had bearish divergence. Actually, the downside moved down there. Do we create something here? Sideways. Yeah, from here, right? Look, here we're going sideways here, right? Coming from negative to less negative. So having that strong bullish against the MACD, nothing against the RSI, but just against the MACD. Actually, to the upside, taking that pump. I want to leave it there for this because nothing else going on here. So let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour, look, we're just floating sideways here, right? Just going sideways. Now positive, less positive, creating that type 2 medium bearish divergence for action to downside. We also have it here against the RSI. Look, high, lower high, right? So here we're going sideways, here we're coming in lower, here we're coming in lower, creating that bearish divergence on DVT, potential movement down. We move down, we're going sideways right now. Let's go to daily. Right on the daily, nothing has changed, right? We had divergence from here to here, low, lower, low, negative, plus negative. On the other side, we lost it, we determined that. So we have strong bullish divergence, still just has not taken off. But looks like we're just moving sideways here. Looks like we've bottomed, we're plateauing in this area right now, and that's okay. Let's get here, and let's go check out gold and silver and the rest of the stuff we should look at, so. Gold, the daily. Again, we had the strong bullish against the RSI, again, that movement up. We had it at some point in time, let's see, 260, 281, slightly more negative. So we no longer have it against the MACD, but against the RSI we have it, and we're just stabilizing here at 1,876 per ounce. Let's go check out silver at $24.19 per ounce. Low, high, negative, plus negative. Let's see, coming in higher, higher, and higher. Everything's good here. We're not developing anything on silver. Neutral 48.22 on the RSI. At least nothing I can see simply, just on simple side. Low, high, negative, plus negative, low on the RSI to a higher point. High, higher, positive, positive, high, higher, right? So everything's looking good here. Let's go check out Dow. It did go down 371 points. Again, look, we said about rejecting. I didn't change. If you remember, I had this from here to here. Right, it was slightly lower. We had bearish divergence. I didn't shift it to here, which if I would have just shifted from here to here, we would no longer have it, right? But I was expecting a potential movement down, maybe from divergence, maybe because we're hitting this all-time high here at 100%, which was somewhere around 29,502, all-time high for Dow. Could be rejecting that area as well. Bought at 61.30, right? We're also bought, so we got to cool off. Dow Live still going down 158 points. Again, here we had the same thing, right? Here we're going from here to here, right? Slightly sideways as we were coming in higher. Here, I think I deleted it yesterday because I no longer have it out here. I just left it on the Dow, radar down on the Dow Live. And again, we're rejecting this area, moving down, that's fine. Neutral 59.97 on the RSI. S&P losing 35 points on bearish divergence. Great, nothing else going on. London up 102 points after having this strong bullish divergence down here. Taking that bounce, getting above the 20, which is okay. Nikkei up 171 points still. Again, Nikkei worries me. It's going up too fast, too quick, man. This is not okay. I'm not sure we're making all-time highs. We're above all-time highs, I think, for Nikkei. Yeah, we're above all-time highs. So it's weird that it's recovering so well. Toronto down 191 points. 191.96 points. High, higher, positive, more positive. High on the other side to a higher point. Again, just following most of what the U.S. stocks are doing and coming back down. Neutral at 59.39 on the RSI. West Texas Oil losing value, coming down after rejection of 42.102, and we knew we were going to probably reject there. Look, we even opened, closed there, or hit there today, move farther down, so everything's good here. I'm not super worried about West Texas yet. Neutral 53.62 on the RSI. We don't have anything, right? We're coming in higher, higher, and higher. Brent oil also, right? Higher, more positive, higher on the RSI. Neutral at 55.04. Again, still moving down slightly today. That's gonna be it for tonight, guys. I want to sign off. Feel tired, exhausted, and I think that we discussed what's most important, what could happen with Bitcoin, and some of the coins that you guys had requested earlier. I need to like rest. I'm feeling like a little bit burned out, but that's gonna be all for tonight, guys. Thanks for being here again. If you like what we do, hit that like button, that sub. This is Ted of Crypto. I'm your host Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight. Thank you, Steve. Have a good one, you too. Jake, thank you for being here, man. Peace, love, and huddle. Andrew, thank you for being here as well. If you came in here, you chatted, you hit that like, you're an awesome follower. Thank you, man. Jake's burned out also. Yeah, dude, that's just how I'm feeling right now. I feel super tired. So, Steve's hoping to get his entry for ADA. Anyways, guys, I hope you found this entertaining and educational. If that is the case, please recommend this channel to your friends, and let's get more people joining. On that note, that's gonna be all for tonight. This is Taylor Crypto again, and I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition.